Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. So I'm here to share my absolutely beautiful, I am in love with this, Gentleman's Diary Journal. So I'll leave the links to the collections that I've used below. Okay, parts of the video may be sped up because there's a lot to share. And I am considering selling this journal privately. It won't be on my Ko-fi. You would have to message me or email me or find me on Facebook and contact me privately, and I can send a PayPal invoice. So it's, you know, it's a business one, so you're all protected and everything. Now, if it went to international, I will warn you, the postage won't be kind because it's heavy, okay? But it is a one-of-a-kind work of art, which I'm prepared to sell privately. If nobody wants it, it will sit beautifully on my shelf. It makes no difference to me. So we've got this fabulous little fob watch on the side. It's a working little clock. It does actually work. It's been ticking away in my craft room for several weeks. And we've got this little key here, which in my imagination opens the study door or one of the cupboard drawers. We've got a faux leather effect with all of this strapping with metal pieces. And this metal piece here, as you can see, we've got lovely tabs. Each tab has either a key or a little number, except for the very bottom one, because I didn't want it dangling too far. Okay, so let's have a look inside. All right, so first of all, we've got a hidden Midori style binding, which means you don't see the strings through the spine. We've got these beautiful studded pockets filled with lovely ephemera, okay, and some tags and all the metalwork. Okay, so the papers are all beautiful. I'll link the collections below, so I'm not going to say where every page is from, but it's predominantly from my Gentleman's Diary collection available on my Ko-fi. So we've got a lovely pocket here that I call these cluster pockets. I make them out of clusters of bits and bobs and then use the ephemera and fussy cuts from the kit. We've got a little notebook here with a die cut binder clip with metal on, okay, and then here I've done this on quite a few pages. I've used leftovers and I've just done strips down the side and added some number collage. Beautiful papers. Again, we've got a decorative strip there. Okay, I'll go as fast as I can here. We've got another little, just a tiny notebook, and it just tucks inside that half of a tag. Okay, more pages. I've just washed my hands on, so it's hard to turn the pages. Then here in the centre, we've got the faux leather wallet that I made. Okay, so there's a lot of work gone into this, so if anybody wants to buy it, it won't be cheap. Otherwise, I will keep it. And then here we've got a belly band slide pocket here with this beautiful collage. And this flips up. It is a pocket with a library time card in it. Okay, that slides back in there and tucks there, and then it flips there for writing. Okay, more of the beautiful pages. This is just a cluster. It's not a tuck. It's a page cluster collage decoration. And then here we've got some of my little tags from my tag mega bundle, and all you need to do to make a really easy paper clip is join them together with an eyelet, okay, and then it will slide over the top of your page. It doesn't get any easier, and it gives you just enough sturdiness to clip a little photos with heaps and heaps of vintage photographs in this journal. Okay, lots and lots of writing space, but also the beautiful pages. All right, so we've got a little C there, and then here this is another page cluster that I've created. So that's all glued down. It's not a tuck, it's a decorative page. Love it. More beautiful, lots of writing space as well as the decorative pages. Okay, and then we're on to the next signature, and here we've got is a pocket at the back there and a pocket there with a little mini ephemera in. Okay, so that slides in that pocket, and these slide in this pocket. Beautiful papers, absolutely stunning. that attached. I've got another page there with the beautiful birds and the dog. So it's all male theme. It's absolutely lovely. Beautiful. And then here we've got this flip out. I made this on a private video with my members. Okay, so we've got a little tuck there. And then this opens that way. And you've got tucks there with mini ephemera. Alright, and then it opens that way. And you've got tucks with mini ephemera. We've got the little dog picture there, which I love. And we've got another pocket there with a little invoice. So I will tie all that back together in a moment. Beautiful, beautiful papers. It's absolutely stunning, is this journal. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. Here we've got a cardstock tag pocket. So we've got a pocket in the top there. Then this little tag that I've made with a specimen card dangle. And that slides back in there. And then here we've got a cluster tuck with some little mini ephemera in. Little mini paper clips. Okay, beautiful ledger papers. Another one of the top tab paper clip type things. More photographs. Okay. Lots of lovely writing space. Stunning. And then here we've got a belly band cluster that I've made, and we've got 2 of tags from the collection, and they slide in there, and this little cluster at the bottom just stops them sliding out of the bottom so that they're not all flapping about and falling out. Okay, put that back in. More beautiful papers. Stunning. Okay, then in the centre here we've got this file folder. Okay, I've got a full tutorial on this, on how to make it. So you undo the strings. We've got a pocket here with ephemera in. It's all sewn and it's made from a file folder. So that opens, we've got this page here with some little mini ephemera. We've got a pocket here with ephemera and an invoice. Okay, then it opens that way. You've got another pocket here with ephemera. We've got a little cluster going on here with the ephemera, so that's a cluster that's glued down, and then these tuck in. Then we've got another pocket here, beautiful papered background. Okay, and then they go back in there, and then this opens again. We've got another pocket here with an invoice and another little cluster of elements there that you can tuck things in, and another pocket with lots of lovely tags in. So there's loads going on in this journal. It's pretty awesome, and it's taken me a good long while to make this one. Okay, this type of journal does take longer than my clean and simple journals, and I put a lot of thought into them. Okay, so here we've got another belly band. We've just got 3 tags. I've just pinned them together so you can journal on the back, and those are from my tag mega bundle that's in my shop. All right, beautiful. It's just beautiful. It really looks like, you know, a journal that a gentleman has written in. Okay, beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Another of the tag tucking spots there. Also works as a tab. They look like tabs at the top, so it's just all roundly gorgeous. Another cluster, which is a tuck. Okay, more of the beautiful paper. I've done another cluster here, which is a tuck. Another little notebook with a little photograph and a tag with the die cut binder clip at the top. And then I think the rest is more or less just writing paper because it was starting to get chunky. So this is just more of the lovely pages from the collection, and I've just collaged along the bottom of some of them. And then we've got the tab, and then at the back here we've got the bureau, which is a faux wooden door with all metal elements. It opens like so. You've got his butterfly specimen collection there, and then in the pockets we've got file folders and photos, and these have got little metal draw pulls on. Okay, And then in the top here, we've got a little mini faux book that I made. And we've got some more ephemera. Okay, so that's a postcard and that's a time card. And the little mini book. And then that all closes with this little metal closure. We've got metal corners here and here. And that completes the journal. It's absolutely beautiful. I really had fun making it. There's tutorials on every step of this journal, from the cover to the decorative elements, the bureau at the back I've done a tutorial on. I've done a tutorial on the wallet. I've done a tutorial on the big file folder. And then some of the other things I've done as private videos for my members on my Ko-fi. So there's a full tutorial on that if you want to recreate that. So that is that epic journey finished, and time to get on with my next epic journey. I hope you like that. If you've made this along with me, I hope you've enjoyed it too. I hope the ideas that I've shared, and I've shared quite a lot, have helped you create your journal. And make sure you do share them. I do love to see what you've made. So tag me and I'll come and have a look. So thank you so much for your time today. I hope you like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.